Right then, welcome back to the channel, and this is a first for us. So today we have taken part in a collaboration cars and coffee meet. So we've got quite a few projects out front. A lot of these have not really been seen by the public before. Obviously we've put them on YouTube, but good for people to have a walk around, especially the V12 project. The Arosa has not been out of the workshop in quite a while. We've got quite a few staff cars and everything that's turned up. Really good turnout, to be fair. Weather's been a little bit on and off this morning, but as you can see, the sun's come out now. Julie has had the food truck open. That's been absolutely rammed all morning. We've got all the off-roaders here, so flip this camera around and show you around that. Nice little display for the Tuaregs. Ruben's Cayenne there. And then, I'm not kidding, I'll be honest, it's quieted down a little bit now. I have not had time all morning to do this video, so this is the first opportunity, but all this, all the way right down there, has been absolutely rammed all morning. Like I said, really good turnout. Not going to talk too much, just going to probably fill this video out with plenty of B-roll of all the cars that's been here. There's been Skylines, some Lamborghinis, Dodgers, you name it, Corsas obviously. But yeah, really good turnout. There's definitely been a few hundred people here. So yeah, enjoy the rest of this video. So that is a wrap. Really good turnout today. I think it's been a successful cars and coffee meet. Probably based off this one, we'll do some more in the future. All the cars back in the workshop now. There is still quite a few cars. Not sure if you can see them down the bottom end, but it's definitely getting more quiet now as the day progresses. Knocking on 4 o'clock, which is what we said was going to be the end time. So yeah, really happy. Hopefully you've liked this video. I'm not sure what footage we've got yet, but hopefully it's pretty good. So thanks again for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe. See you in the next video.